Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy yourself some EtherBone. So this will be a full tutorial about how to do this. As you can see, the graph is like crazy. The first thing you want to do, go to the CoinMarketCap website and find EtherBone. Go down and here you can see the contract. So you want to copy this contract, and here we can see right away that it's running on the Ethereum network. If you don't know what this means, don't worry, I'll explain everything. The next step is what you want to do. You want to go to metamask.io. You want to be using Chrome. Make sure you're using Google Chrome and install MetaMask on Chrome. So hit install and then it will be installed as an extension. Go to the top right then and find MetaMask right there. And then you want to create your account. So I've already created my account, and then it will look something like this. Make sure you're on the Ethereum mainnet. So it's the first one, Ethereum mainnet, and it will look like this. So if you set it up, we first have to send some Ethereum into this wallet in order to later transfer it into EtherBone. So that's what you have to understand. First we are going to add Ether and then change this to EtherBone. So for that, we are going to be using Coinbase, and if you don't have a Coinbase account yet, go ahead and create your account through the link in the description and get a $10 Bitcoin bonus. So once you're in Coinbase and you've added some funds, you want to go to send/receive, and we are going to send Ether to our MetaMask wallet. So make sure you had to pay with, select Ethereum, enter in the amount, for example $100, and now we want to add the address. So go ahead and open your MetaMask, copy this account, this is the address, paste it in here, and this is your Ethereum address. As you can see, hit continue. So I can do it because I don't have enough balance, but if you hit continue, it will be deposited directly into MetaMask within seconds. And when the number shows up here, also in USD, you want to go to a website called uniswap.org, and from here we are going to swap the Ethereum to EtherBone. So go ahead and hit use Uniswap, connect wallet. So connect wallet, select MetaMask, boom, and here's the account. Hit next, connect, and there we go, it's connected. Now we want to select the token, but if we search for the name EtherBone, it probably won't come up. So let's do it. Yeah, here it is. So we can just hit import and hit import right there, and then enter in the amount of Ethereum. So let's do 100, which is like way too much. And then as you can see, this is the amount of EtherBone you can buy. So then just hit buy with whatever amount you want, and there you go. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.